Hey guys, this is Tegan. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm not going to show my face for a while, but sorry about this. This is just what's holding it up. And I'm just going to be reviewing my slimes and squishies. So I'm going to start with my squishies first. So I have my cake right here, my cake slice. I'm just going to squish it to show you guys for right now. And I also have no clue what that was. Oh yeah, I think that was that raspberry thing. But it's very slow. It's kind of fast. It's really squishy. So there was that cake. Sorry, this is wobbly so much. Here's my cupcake. I think this one is my favorite. Show you guys. That was my cupcake. So next is my macaroon. This one has a defect, 2 defects. We have kind of a slot in there, and also a rip right there. Then right here we have a big rip. But it's squishy. The cream makes it less hard and less squishy. But this is a mini, and that was my macaroon. Here's my emoji bun with a bite in it. This one is honestly my favorite mini one because this one does not have a defect at all. Let me look quick. Yeah, this one does not have a defect at all, but it's very squishy and mini. It's so cute. Onto the slimes. I'm going to move all my squishies out of the way so I won't be destroying them. So the first one I'm going to review the bigger ones in the packaging. You guys only see like half of it right here, but yeah. So this one is very I'm not sure. Is this the lighter one or the darker? This is the darker one. So this is honestly my favorite. It's very crunchy. It's very jiggly. It's also very stretchy. So there's that one. My next one is the same color, just a tiny bit lighter. This one's very liquidy on the top. This one's very, very tough. It's kind of crunchy. It doesn't mix as well as all the other ones. Sorry. It's like all of them are jiggly. Most of them are jiggly. Next in our big bowl is this pink slime. I'm trying to zoom in. I'm very sorry. Not zoom in. I'll make it not so fuzzy. So this one's also very tough. This is the one that had a bunch of glue at the bottom, and then yeah. And this is the first video you're ever seeing of me. Hi, I'm Tegan. If you watch my other videos, you can see what I look like. And yeah, so this one, all of them are very clicky. I think, except for one of them is a butter slime. So there's that big one. Next I'm going to be opening this one, and I will be putting this one on my table. This one's kind of sticky. This one is very stringy. I'm not stringy, clicky and glossy, as you guys can see. I did not add any baby oil to this at all. Very stretchy. And yeah. I'm just trying to go a little quick because I have a lot of slimes. And next is this green yellowish one. I don't really like this one that much, but this is my liquidy green texture one. I'm just going to take this much out because it's so liquidy. So it's very sticky. I might put this one in my big batch because this would make it a lot more helpful. So I'm just going to put that one back in there because it's so stringy. Sorry if I'm breathing really hard, I'm just like kind of sick. I'm going to put my fingers and release and we'll grab all of the slime on my hands. So there was that one. Next I have this clear gel-like slime. And this one's very gel-like. It's clear glue and detergent, I think. It has a little bit of sparkles and stuff. It just kind of fell in there. And there is some glitter. It's kind of tough, but then it's also not tough. So there's that one. I never looked in my bag until I got this together. Okay, so the next one is the one that I mentioned out, but I didn't record at the time. This one is so tough. It's so liquidy. Where'd that come from? But this one has glitter, white glitter in it. It's very tough, as you can tell. I might just throw this one away right now. I am, because that one's like the toughest thing in the world, and I could not get it any better. The next one I have, this one I bought at Target. And I have to open it because my hands are so liquidy from that one. I can't open it. Okay, so I can't open this one right now, but this one's my mermaid slime. It's kind of stringy. I'm not stringy. It's kind of tough, but it has a bunch of sparkles and stuff. This is Winter Wonderland. There is, as you can tell, snowflakes kind of in it, and there's clear glue. And if you want to know where I got this packaging, I got it from Target for $1. Because the top of the packaging has a chalk thing. This is chalk. Okay, so this slime is clear, and I like it because I don't play with it for a week or so. The clear slime goes to the top, and then this goes to the bottom. And it's kind of a mermaid-like because it changes colors. I call this one Winter Wonderland, but you can call it whatever you want. Make sure you guys comment down below what your favorite slime is. I haven't showed you. I have 2 more slimes I'd like to show you guys. Next is this butter / glossy slime. This one is my favorite. Well, this is my second favorite one. My favorite one was the last one I'm going to show you. So this one is very stretchy. I keep wanting to say stringy, but it's not. And then, okay, I'm so sorry I keep moving this, but it's very stretchy. It's kind of sticky to the hands. It's crunchy. And yeah. So now I'm going to show you my favorite one. And it's the last one. I got this one, as you can tell, from a friend. And my last one is the foam slime. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. This is like a good lighting. I don't know why, but it is. Okay, so this is my butter slime. It's not, well, it is stretchy as you just saw, but yeah. I'm gonna try to put this like this. It's not clicky because it's butter slime, as you can tell. But it is very buttery. I will show you the butter method thing. This is super soft. I did not make this with glue at all. I just made it out of Crayola clay stuff, not clay. Why can't I think of it? Model Magic clay and some lotion. That's all you need to do. But you need to add a lot of lotion to get it this. But so yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. Put the notification bell on if you want some more of my videos. So see you guys later. Bye. Oh my gosh, that was so funny.